in the sky. Ian's got that grin, oh boy's the guy. Nick's cracking jokes while Tony keeps pace. Thrilling adventure, the wind in our face. Twisting and turning, we're flying like kings. But wait, hold up, what's happening? Ian's missed his turn, oh no, not this again. The teacher's pet lost, yeah you bet, my friend. Riding through the mountains, feeling so free. Ian, Nick, Tony, just you and me. From dirt roads to trails, racing under the sun. All the laughter and mistakes, we're just having fun. Finally back on track, heading for the breeze. Wind turbines ahead through groves of olive trees. Coffee break time, feel the energy rise. Sipping on latte, sharing laughs and good vibes. Ian's still riding, it's a surprise for sure. Not one stall yet, the teacher's pet's pure. But don't you worry, it's only halfway done. The trails are waiting, more fun to be spun. Riding through the mountains, feeling so free. Ian, Nick, Tony, just you and me. From dirt roads to trails, racing under the sun. All the laughter and mistakes, we're just having fun. Up the mountain path, up high we climb. Stunning views surrounding, oh it's sublime. But what's this? Ian's stalling a bit. Nick and Tony, they're riding like they're lit. No falls today, we're gripping those bikes. But Ian, oh Ian, gotta break those spikes. Heading back down, the sun starts to fade. Laughing and grinning, memories made. Tony's a pro, and Nick's got the flair. But